always been a big fan of George Washington, and this is a wonderful mid-19th century book here about the life of George Washington. It's a famous work. Look at this beautiful binding, the gilt work on the covers with Washington within this wreath, the patterning as well on this cloth. If the light reflects off it, you can see that it's a patterned cloth. The edges of the text block are marbled. There is an engraved frontis portrait, like so, with a tissue guard to the title page. This work was sold only by subscription. It's 1859 by Bill, who was a subscription-type publisher, and it's by Headley. And the book is actually well illustrated. Here's the list with steel engravings and full-page wood engravings. The thing is that a number of them, of these images, have original hand color, like this. This style of coloring is very distinctive and unique to this era of book production. And so we have an assortment of hand-colored plates mixed in throughout with a number of black and white plates, plus these steel engravings, like so. Yes, and there you can see there's quite a profusion of them. There's a steel engraving there, very ornate and decorative border surrounding on that. There's another steel engraving there, very well done. And here's a black and white wood engraving, and like so on. There's another wood engraving, scenes throughout his life. What's also nice is that within this particular volume, bound in by the publisher here, is this large color lithographed folding view, like so, of Mount Vernon. Look at those vivid colors. It's all original. Somebody has long ago decided to tape this tear using this thin, like a tissue paper tape there. My guess is you could wet that and it would probably pull free, and then this plate could be mended properly on the reverse with some archival tape or something, some rice paper and Japanese paste or something. So that's a mendable image should you wish to do that. But we, in our flow here, have decided to merely leave it in place in this volume and offer it as it was acquired. And so this book is available now online from me, Brian DeMambro.